Greetings. My name is Dr. Celucien L. Joseph. I would like to wish you a happy Haitian Flag Day. In this presentation, I would like to offer a bird's eye view of the Haitian flag. I will discuss 6 major issues pertaining to the history of the Haitian flag. First, before the creation of the Haitian flag. Second, the creation of the Haitian flag. Third, the lady who sewed the Haitian flag. Fourth, the meaning of the Haitian flag. Fifth, the representation of the coat of arms. Further, I will establish some connections and some parallels between the Haitian flag and the Vodou flag. In conclusion, I would like to make some parallels between the Haitian flag and Haiti's national anthem. So let's begin. After a long period of 12 years of war, which began in 1791 and ended in 1803, the French general Rochambeau surrendered on November 22nd, 1803, what is known the historic Battle of Vertières. On November 29th, 1803, the Haitian army and its new people, under the amazing leadership of Haiti's founding father, Jean-Jacques Dessalines, declared their independence and political sovereignty from the nation of France. Dessalines drafted the Act of Independence. This Act of Proclamation was signed by 3 generals: Jean-Jacques Dessalines, Henri Christophe, and Clairvaux. On January the 1st, 1804, the people of Haiti consecrated the Haitian independence with a solemn act that renounces slavery and European colonization in the new country of Haiti. This historic document of the Proclamation of Independence was written by Louis Félix Boiron-Tonnerre. On May 18th, 1803, Haiti's liberator, Jean-Jacques Dessalines, called for a new Congress and united the Revolutionary Army, l'Armée Indigène, to create a new flag for the new independent Republic of Haiti. Let's talk now about the creation of the flag. The Revolutionary Army, l'Armée Indigène, rejected the French tricolor flag, blue, white, and red, which they had used until 1803. They adopted a new flag composing of only 2 stripes, one red and one blue, and removed the white stripe. Thus, the Revolutionary Army adopted the vertically divided blue and red flag in February 1803. Yet, in May 18, 1803, Emperor Dessalines would give the official order to use the new flag. In other words, the blue and red flag was used prior to May 18th. The motto was Liberté ou la mort, liberty or death, not our current motto, l'union fait la force, or unity makes strength, or strength through unity. The red and blue symbolize the union, the alliance of the black and mixed race Haiti's populations. The exclusion of the white symbolizes the desire and the commitment of the Haitian people, the new post-colonial people, to break away from France. Let's talk about the lady who sewed the flag. Historians tell us Jean-Jacques Dessalines created the design for the national flag in a place called Akaye, which is located in the western region of Haiti. That took place in an important political conference, as I mentioned before, in Akaye. Dessalines named a historic person, a founding mother, Catherine Flon, the Haitian Betsy Ross, as the seamstress to sew the bicolor flag, red and blue. By May 18th, 1803, the new flag was ready to be used nationally, symbolizing the new post-colonial state of Haiti. In fact, Dessalines says, aujourd'hui, nous combattons pour l'indépendance de notre pays et notre drapeau rouge et bleu est le symbole de l'union du noir et du jaune. A declaration he made in July 1803. Okay, now let's move on to talk about the meaning of the flag. The Haitian flag is a symbol of national independence and the creation of the new Republic of Haiti. The Haitian flag is also a symbol of racial unity between Haiti's black and mulatto populations. The Haitian flag also symbolizes the renouncement of slavery, colonization, and any form of oppression in the land of Haiti. The Haitian flag symbolizes national unity, resistance against external interference and invasion. In other words, Haiti would be a country where blacks and mulattoes united to form a new country, a new political and social order and societies. Let's talk about the coat of arms. The coat of arms has multiple representations of freedom, of liberty, the political significance. So, the coat of arms is featured in the middle of the flag, as you can see here. It consists in many ways to represent national liberty and independence. Well, many historians claim that its origin is found in French Revolutionary iconography. Okay, let me talk a little bit about this. So the palm tree, which is placed in the middle of the flag, and there is the liberty pole atop a pike. Both in France and Saint-Domingue, the palm tree is known as the Liberty Tree and was frequently used in revolutionary festivals to denote freedom and Haiti's ultimate emancipation from slavery. And we have the bonnet Phrygien, the Phrygian cap or liberty cap, which is placed above the palm tree. It is the focal point of the coat of arms. The Phrygian cap was a popular symbol of freedom among revolutionary Frenchmen. The 6 drop flags are placed around the palm tree, 3 on each side. Other symbols of liberty include the cannons on a green lawn, the machetes, the drum, and assorted military paraphernalia. Now, I want to talk about some connection between the Vodou flag and the Haitian flag. So we are told the blue and red colors are also the colors of Vodou, the Vodou spirit, Ogou Ferraille, the Cosmos, and Ezili Dantor. The red and blue colors, they're also colors of Ogou, the spirit of war. The iconographic emblems of the flag are also parallel to those of the Vodou spirit or the Vaudoulois. At this point in our conversation, it's also good to point out the different colors the Haitian flag has assumed over the years. As the Haitian nation experienced different political administrations, Haitian historians or Haitianist scholars have proposed different perspectives and made different claims about the historicity of the flag. In fact, some of those accounts contradict each other, and accounts of the Haitian flag are also influenced by who tells the story. Certain accounts about the flag are ideologically driven, and the historical archive does not support the claim. Now, allow me to provide a brief summary of the major changes the flag has undergone. First of all, it was the eminent Haitian historian Thomas Madieu in his 1847 volume on history of Haiti, who provide a long and detailed account about the creation of the flag. Some historians have argued that the imperial flag, that is the flag of the Emperor Dessalines' administration, was historically black and red. Other accounts have suggested that in post-independent Haiti, the indigenous army, that is l'armée indigène, or the African revolutionaries, have historically used equally both black and red and blue and red flags in 1803. Some even have claimed that the bicolor flag, red and blue, has been previously used before the historic Archaic Conference in 1803. As we can say, these accounts reflect the diversity of the early national flags of Haiti. Henri Christophe, who became the president of the northern state of Haiti, not the entire country of Haiti, we should note, adopted the bicolors black and red. His kingdom, which began in 1811 and ended in 1820, also adopted the bicolor black and red flag. The colors of the imperial flag. When Alexandre Pétion became the president of Haiti, that is the entire Haiti, and Pétion was the first mulatto leader, his administration adopted the bicolor blue and red flag. In the time of Duvalier, a radical change would be made to the flag. In fact, the Duvalier administration changed the colors of the flag to black and red. Some people have argued it was not really a change, rather, Francois Duvalier or Papa Doc adopted the imperial flag to pay tribute to Emperor Dessalines' contributions to the nation of Haiti. Also to highlight the substantial contributions of blacks in the making of the nation of Haiti. In other words, the color black in the flag represents the color of the enslaved African population, and the red signifies the color of their blood, which they have sacrificially shed to create the new nation of Haiti. That is, the Pétion administration's national flag, according to some historians, was to signal the equal contributions of both mulatto and black Haitians in the genesis of Haiti. Now, it's good to say, okay? It's good to say that on February 11, 1986, a watershed moment in our history, the National Council of Government, le Conseil National de Gouvernement, published a decree to restore the blue and red national flag with the colors again placed horizontally. Let me talk briefly about the national anthem. The national anthem was written about 100 years later after the creation of the new flag. Its author was Justin Le. He wrote it in 1903 and it was adopted by the Haitian Congress in January 1st, 1904. Nicolas Geoffroy was the musician who composed the national anthem. In fact, in English, it goes like this. For the country, for the ancestors, let us march united. Let there be no traitors in our ranks. Let us be masters of our soil. United, let us march for the country, for the ancestors. Again, this is Dr. Celucien L. Joseph. I want to wish you a happy Haitian Flag Day. Finally, I would like to thank the Haitian Embassy in Washington D.C, in particular Ambassador Hervé Denis, for this opportunity. Thank you for watching.